Welcome to this edition of Editing with Lightwork Editor. Alright, so here I'm carrying out I want to edit a video, and this video doesn't really need much of editing, but you know, let me just edit this video and let's just walk through and discuss the different parts of this editing that we're going to do. Already I've uploaded my video to my editor. I believe y'all know how I did this. If you don't know this, you have to just watch the previous video on how I came about this. And you can see I created like a special app folder for this. Where is that? The name is Buck. Alright, so this is it. I just uploaded everything here and I picked my files from there. Alright, so I named them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so that I'll know the progression. Alright, so now I just have to load the first one I'm going to use. Okay, so now before I go on, I need some little tools like I need subscription gifts, subscribe YouTube gift. I'm supposed to say YouTube subscribe gift or something. Alright, so I need this, and I click on image, and which one is best for me? Okay, so let me check this one. I haven't used this one before. Subscribe, like, click on the notification bell, like, subscribe, like. Okay, like. I believe this one is a bit too fast. Let me look for another one. Okay, subscribe. This one is just saying subscribe, and okay, this shouldn't take much of the time. Okay, this one is just subscribe. Alright, so I'm just looking for something. Okay, I think I've seen this before and I liked it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this. I saw this one somewhere and I really liked it, so alright, yeah, I think I like this. It looks funny though. Alright, but at least it's humorous enough to drag viewers' attention to this. So I'm going to save it as, and then save. I just saved it to desktop, and then I have to go to my desktop and upload this right here. Okay, so now among the files that I uploaded, I need to upload that special, and you can see it's in desktop. So I go to desktop. What name was this saved at? I think source gift. Yeah. Alright, I just double tapped it and it's here. Alright, so here it is. Let's see if it plays the way we want it to play. Is it my editor that is open or what? Alright, let me see this. It looks static here. Do I have to record this? So most times when I get a file like this, most times I usually have to record them to get I'm not opening with that. I need to open with photo viewer. Let me see. Opening it with photo viewer, this is how it looks like. Okay, open with let me choose a player. Let me choose it like should be open with something like a player. But it will not be the default though. I haven't changed anything. Alright, I believe it's better this way. Now let me rename it to sub GIF. Alright, then go back to the editor and upload it again. Project content, then local files, project content, local file. Okay, I need here log. Okay, sub, and then alright. Okay, I believe it should be there by now. Well, it still isn't playing. Anyway, this shouldn't waste our time much, so let me just get going with the editing, and let's just get going. It's just the subscribe button that's needed there. So alright, so this is where I'm starting from. This is the first file here. Most times you need some kind of an intro before you begin a video, so sometimes the intro is cut from within the video or somewhere from the beginning. Alright, some users intentionally make an intro for their videos. Alright, so to be quick about this, alright, so I need to just click and play first to know what I want to intro. Okay, I believe it's not good to have a boring intro, so sometimes
look at the place. Let me go and snap some pictures. It's not like I'm looking all ish, but I just want to.
Alright, so sometimes you might want to get some smooth intro, so
yeah guys, so I'm done snapping my pictures. I'm going to try to insert some. They were really cool. I have a good.
Alright, so let me take that as an intro, so I'm just gonna insert it here. Alright, and if you all can listen very well, you discover that the volume is a bit low, like the sound quality is low, and that's from the recorder because the person did not use microphone. So I have to just go to audio, and you see this here, increasing this now means I'm increasing the sound. Alright, that's increasing the sound.
Yeah guys, so I'm done snapping my pictures. I'm going to try to insert some. They were really cool. I have a good photographer behind the scene. So this is the impressive photographer. It's not that I had something I wanted to catch up with without done.
Alright, so we can now go back here, right here, and you can see that was a full clip section of a clip. So I wouldn't want to use, or I think that video, that audio was a bit low, so let me raise it to the top. Alright, so I just need something that's like an intro.
Yeah guys, so I'm done snapping my pictures. I'm going to try to insert some. They were really cool. I have a good photographer behind the scene. So yeah guys, so so I'm done snapping my pictures. I'm going to try to insert some. They were really cool. I have a
okay. I need something like this.
To make judicious use of the sun. That look at the place. Let me go and snap some pictures. It's not like I'm looking all ish, but I just want to make judicious.
Alright, so I would like to use this one because this one is a bit informative and conspicuous from the beginning. You need to use an intro that will spark interest in your users. Okay,
look at the place. Let me go and snap some pictures. It's not like I'm looking all ish, but I just want to make judicious use of the sun that God has given me today.
I think that will be all for. Alright, so that part where I want to begin intro from, I'll have to mark it.
Today, what a vlog.
Alright, I don't want the rest, so I'm just going to mark here and then cut it out. Alright, then remember before now I've already edited my intro. I already have intro edited, well edited. Okay, outro, intro. Okay. Alright, so I'm using this intro, and for some reason this intro has some copyright ish before now because of the song. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to remove this song. That's okay, but the song, so for me to remove the sound I have to just click here and then drag off the sound and then right click and remove. Now if you play it, you discover that that video has no sound any longer. Alright, you see it will just play but no sound. Alright, so I can go ahead now to begin adding the clips individually. So I can add this one here. Then that's number 1, number 2, number 3, then number 4, then 5, then I have 6, and then I have 7. Mind you, okay, and 8. Okay, 8 is the last one. Then the final part is the intro, the outro rather. So now I can remove that gap here. So mind you, all these clips were already arranged. So now for me to be editing it individually, editing each section individually to cut out the mistakes and everything, I just have to, you know, watch the video and add whatever I want to add text if I wish to add text. Alright, so before I do that, I need to add sound to that part where I removed that sound. I need to replace it with a sound, and I need something simple. I need a sound. Okay, so I imported this sound and that sound, so whichever one that suits me I'm going to use for that. Alright, that's enough. Then I have to go back to editing, lock 5. Then to check where the sound are, you go to audio. Let me play this. Okay, that's good. Let's check this out. You know, this one is a bit slower at the start, so intro is something that is fast, that captures attention really fast.
I was just
this one is a full music, so I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so that's okay. Then I'm just gonna cut it. Oh no, okay. You see, cutting it here. Okay, enough. So okay, normally I'm supposed to slow down the sound. I'm supposed to cut out the sound at this part here, but okay, so here's the video. part, so I have to cut out that part. Okay, from here. It was horrible. Alright, so I remove that part, and that part is cut off. So I can fix something like a transition, like a dissolve transition. So for me to make that transition really large, I have to just first of all I'll check the sound share. The reason why I had to close out this sound section is so that whatever I'm doing to the video doesn't really affect the audio. You get me? So that's why I have to close out the sound, and I increase it so that I can get a grasp of what I'm actually doing. Alright, okay, so see what I just did, that transition. Mind you, whenever you tap on it and you double tap on it so many times and the video plays while this yellow line is checked, the video, it will be reducing the clip, it will be cutting out those section of the clip. So ensure that you see what I'm saying. I just have to undo that particular thing. Alright, so now it seems at this point here she started speaking, so I have to go to audio and reduce the sound at that point. That's how the sound can be reduced.
Guys, look at where I'm going to snap some cool pictures inside school Uniport. Like, this place is so massive and so beautiful. I want to take some cool pictures. I just came out from Seoul. What I did, I had to make an update about.
So now you see I just added the just reduce the sound where she speaks and then make it like an interlude such that it will sound so nice to the ear and soothing to the soul.
You know, as we grow in billions, we keep updating our account. So but it's not this place I want to snap now. Look at the place. Let me go and snap pictures. It's not like I'm looking for ish, but I just want to make judicious use of the sun that God has given me today. Today, what a vlog.
So let me pause this, guys. Editing a video literally means you have to watch a video, watch it over and over and over and over again. So sometimes to the editor, someone who edits a video must have done a very beautiful work, but the work might seem so ugly to you because you are done watching and rewatching that video, like you have watched it even more than the people that are watching it. So so it means I have to watch this, pause it, after editing the sound, then I'll now go over to the video section to edit. If I want to change color, if I want to create transition, if I want to add one or two. Alright, so let me just pause this and just let's just go on together, okay?
If you're in